This is the Kindle Kids edition. It's brand new, and it is a purpose-built device, distraction-free for kids. So it comes with a Kindle, comes with a kid-friendly case. There's many different designs. It comes with a 2-year worry-free guarantee, and it includes a year of free time unlimited. So when you're in free time, you can only access the content that your parents have given you, or that it's included in free time unlimited. And so parents can add more books if they want to, absolutely, but kids can't get out and go shopping or any of those kinds of things. It has some great features that we built specifically for children to help them tackle that next challenging book that's still within their reach, but maybe has a few words that is going to push them to the next level. There's a dictionary, and you can tap in and read more about that word. And any word that's included in the dictionary is also saved for later as a flashcard as part of a vocabulary builder feature, which allows kids to practice and remembering what those definitions are and then mark them as mastered. Another feature that we built as part of the Kindle Kids edition are achievements. And so these are achievement badges. These are ways for kids to check off milestones and celebrate those, completing a book, reading for their goal for every day for even a month. And some of these challenges are easy to get going and fun, but some of them are really challenging, and I think kids are going to really enjoy that aspect of this game.